Sulit ulam naman tayo ngayon. Crunchy, porky, sticky, and delicious Crunchy BBQ Liempo Bits. Let's start cooking. So what we will do now, I will season my pork. So 2 teaspoons of salt. I will also add baking powder, all-purpose flour, and cornstarch. No? So the cornstarch will help it become very crispy. Garlic powder, that's around 1 tablespoon. And black pepper. I'm adding here water. So we want to create a batter, no? Not a dry breading. Be sure that we mix it properly para even yung ating coating. And we're ready to fry. You will add your pork pa isa-isa. Be sure na hindi siya masyadong close para hindi sila magdikit-dikit. Important, you fry it in batches so that the temperature of your oil will become constant. Medium heat lang ha, para you want your batter to fry until it's very crispy and all the moisture from the water we added mag-evaporate. Please grab a copy of my cookbooks, Simpol 101, Simple Kitchen Secrets, and Baking Simple, available at Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Kaya add to cart na. I have a saucepan on the other side and I will make my barbecue sauce. So simple. Brown sugar. You can use banana ketchup or you can use tomato ketchup. So easy. Yung gusto natin dito sa ating barbecue sauce, very sticky. And margarine or butter. Yung lasa siyang barbecue sa kanto, pero crispy siya, imagine. And our sauce is beginning to simmer. I will add hot sauce. So, di ba, nag-fry tayo. Then, pinalamig natin ng konti. So, the steam naka-escape na. Now, we're frying it na wala na masyadong moisture. So, crispy talaga siya. And, my pork is done. Yan. Now, my barbecue sauce, very sticky. Dapat sticky siya, hindi siya pwedeng watery. Are you ready? I'm ready. Pour. And look at that. Oh my God. On its own, masarap siya. But I will try it with suka. Sarap na suka, nakita mo. Sarap! Honestly, kinikilig talaga ko sa sarap nito. Kaya gawin niyo rin sa bahay. Super sarap with spicy suka. Crunchy BBQ Liempo Bits. Simple!